First, let's look at the large blue circular sign. This is a designated direction sign. It tells drivers that from this specific lane, you are only permitted to go straight or turn left. Any other maneuver, like a right turn, is strictly prohibited for standard vehicles. However, look closely at the white board directly underneath. It reads Basu Takushī or Nozoku, which means excluding buses and taxis. This is a crucial detail in Japanese traffic law. It means while you and I must follow the arrows, buses and taxis have special permission to ignore them, often allowing them to turn right to stay on their designated routes.